Hello student, we are seeing the novels 4.2 to serve with love. In previous video we saw that how student council meeting was held in Greensland school and how student giving presentation of each subject from each class. When the presentation of all the classes were come to end, then called the two children to write the names of teachers. Those were presented there on a slip of paper. These slips were folded and placed in a hat, juggled vigorously and then withdrawn one by one. नंतर एका कागदावर त्या सगळ्या शिक्षकाच्या नावाच्या चिठ्ठ्या लिहून एका हॅटमध्ये टाकल्या गेला. त्याला खूप जोराने काय मिक्स केल्या गेल्या अँड देन विथड्रॉन वन बाय वन. आणि त्यानंतर एक एकाचे नाव काय विथड्रॉ केले गेले. द नेम्स वर कॉल्ड मिस्टर वेटसन. नाउ दीज टीचर्स आर अपॉइंटेड फॉर द पॅनल, टीचर्स पॅनल. आणि त्यामध्ये कोणते कोणते नाव निघाले बघा. द नेम्स वर कॉल्ड मिस्टर वेस्टन, मिसेस डेल इव्हान्स, मिस फिलिप्स डेनम and Miss Joseph led the others off the stage and teachers took their seats and called these teachers to take their seats on the stage. Western Big and Busili untidy between the two men. Yes, now Western Big and Busili untidy between the two men. Then the questioning began. आणि अशा प्रकारे जेव्हा टीचर्सने आपली स्टेजवर बसल्यानंतर क्वेश्चनिंग began. I believe I would have gone a long way to see what followed. It was an experience which I shall not easily forget. Writer said that I believe I would have gone a long way to see what followed. लेखक म्हणतो yes, I am seeing all that. I am interested to see what is happen next. It was an experience which I shall not easily forget. आणि लेखक म्हणतो की त्या शाळेचा जो अनुभव होता yes, I shall not easily forget. आणि तो मी कधी विसरणार सुद्धा नव्हतो. The questions were mostly from the top classes. आणि जास्तीत जास्त क्वेश्चन्स कुठून आले होते? टॉप 2 क्लासेस मधून आले होते. Probably because the young children were either too timid or too uninformed to formulate their questions. Most of the questions are coming from the 2 top classes because the children in those classes were either too timid or too uninformed to the formulate their questions. कारण की जे बाकीचे क्लासमधले जे विद्यार्थी होते ते काय एक तर छोटे होते आणि त्यांना माहितीही नव्हतं की कशा प्रकारे क्वेश्चन्स काढायचे. द टीचर्स हॅड नो ब्रीफिंग्स and were often caught out stammering in their decision. And whenever the student asked the questions, sometimes teachers were also stammering. But here again I received a big surprise. The freely, seemingly brainless Miss Euphemia Phillips proved to be the coolest and best informed of the 3. मात्र जे 3 टीचर्स तिथे बसलेले होते त्यामध्ये मिस युफेमिया फिलिप्स proved be the coolest and best informed of the 3. She dealt with questions put to her with candor and authority. She dealt with questions put to her with candor म्हणजे इंटरेस्टने and authority. She would often intervene skillfully to assist one of the others without causing the embarrassment. And she is also assist other teachers without causing the embarrassment. काही असं न भासवता ती बाकीच्यांना सुद्धा काय मदत करत होती. Western cut a very ridiculous figure. Yes, Western cut a very ridiculous figure in the face of Denham's blunt criticism and Fermon's adroit questions. Now when Denham criticized that time, Western कट अ व्हेरी रिडिक्युलस फिगर, आणि त्यांनी खूपच एक वेगळ्या पद्धतीने उत्तर दिलं. अँड फर्मॉन्स ॲड्रॉइड म्हणजे स्किलफुल क्वेश्चनिंग. ही फाउंड हिमसेल्फ कम्प्लिटली नॉन प्लस म्हणजे एकदम चिडलेला. अँड ट्राय टू ब्लस्टर हिज वे आउट विथ अ शो ऑफ ऑफेंडेड डिग्निटी. मीन्स वेन Denham and the Furman asked the questions that time, Weston felt ridiculous and he himself completely nonplussed. आणि तो सुद्धा चिडला सुद्धा. And tried to bluster his way out with a show of offended dignity. He could not effectively support the PT exercise, for which he was partly responsible. आणि त्यांनी PT एक्सरसाइजला सुद्धा काय सपोर्ट नाही केला, ज्याच्यासाठी तोच रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता काही प्रमाणामध्ये. ॲज हॅव्हिंग एनी डेफिनाइट फिजिकल ॲडव्हान्टेजेस. म्हणजे PT एक्सरसाइज मधून देर इज नॉट एनी टाईप ऑफ फिजिकल ॲडव्हान्टेजेस. आफ्टर ऑल ही इज नॉट सपोर्टेड इट, अँड सो ही वॉज पार्टली रिस्पॉन्सिबल. Denham was a trained boxer and insisted that such exercise were only advantageous if the practice daily and for more sustained periods. Because Denham was a boxer, Denham was a trained boxer and insisted that such exercise were only advantageous if practiced daily and for more sustained periods. Denham जो होता ट्रेन बॉक्सर होता, and he insisted that की such exercise were only advantageous. याच्यापासून ही जी एक्सरसाइज आहे खेळण्याच्या माध्यमातून जी एक्सरसाइज होतात ही काय तेव्हाच ॲडव्हान्टेजेस आहे इफ प्रॅक्टिस डेली अँड फॉर मोर सस्टेन पिरियड. जर त्याची प्रॅक्टिस आम्ही डेली केली अँड मोर फॉर द मोर सस्टेन पिरियड्स, आणि त्याच्यासाठी तितके पिरियड्स असेल तर. PT ट्वाइस वीकली फॉर 20 minutes वॉज ए बेस्ट ऑफ टाइम. त्यांनी सांगितलं की यस PT इज फॉर ओनली द 20 minutes. PT's period is for the 20 minutes and twice in a week, and so it is a waste of time. आणि 20 minutes मध्ये काहीच होऊ शकत नाही, so it is a waste of time, he asserted. Once again Miss Phillips took the reins and her stock promptly shot up the 100 folds. Now Miss Phillips was speaking against that. She reminded the school that every subject, including the PT and games, had been carefully considered and fitted into the teaching timetable so that each student receive maximum benefit. Yes, म्हणजे whatever the Denham spoke about against the PT, Miss Phillips spoke against that. She reminded the school that every subject including the PT and games had been carefully considered and fitted. त्यांनी सांगितलं की every subject in that school and school timetable was very important and important and necessary for the students, so that each student receive the maximum benefit from it. आणि त्याच्यामुळे प्रत्येक स्टुडंटला त्याच्यापासून काय जास्तीत जास्त काय फायदा होत असतो, बेनिफिट्स मिळत असते. द स्कूल विथ इट्स लिमिटेड फॅसिलिटीज मस्ट बी कन्सिडर्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट गुड फॉर द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर. यस, तिने हे पण सांगितलं, द स्कूल विथ इट्स लिमिटेड फॅसिलिटीज, देर आर नॉट सो मेनी फॅसिलिटीज इन स्कूल, अँड विथ दोज लिमिटेड फॅसिलिटीज कन्सिडर इन टर्म्स ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट गुड फॉर द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर. आणि लिमिटेड फॅसिलिटीज असून सुद्धा जास्तीत जास्त ग्रेटेस्ट गुड फॉर द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर, जास्तीत जास्त मुलांसाठी जास्तीत जास्त चांगलं करण्याचा काय त्यांचा काय प्रयत्न आहे तिने सांगितलं. आणि इट वुड बी बियॉन्ड एनीवन्स पॉवर ऑफ प्लीज एव्हरीबडी. तिने हे सुद्धा सांगितलं, इट वुड बी बियॉन्ड anyone's powers to please everybody, and it is not possible to please everybody with school timetable and school periods. Some of you, she concluded, fixing Denham with innocent eyes, are fortunate in your own fine physical development and do not really need the few meagre helpings of PT and games which this school can offer. Yes, he fixed the eyes towards the Denham with innocent eyes and told him, are fortunate in your own fine physical development and do not really need a few years. तिने सांगितलं की yes, you are physically developed, and so you do not need such type of PT and games which this school can offer. आणि त्याला सांगितलं की काय, तू ॲक्च्युली फिजिकली डेव्हलप असल्यामुळे तुला या जे PT किंवा गेम ही शाळा प्रोव्हाइड करून राहिलेली आहे हे तुझ्यासाठी खूप मोठं नाही आहे. Try to remember that there are others for whom a program is ideally suited. पण तिने सांगितलं इट्स ओके, the PT and the games in our school is not good for you because you are already physically developed student, but this is very essential for the other student, those are back. मात्र बाकींच्या मुलासाठी काय हे खूप आवश्यक आहे. It may be that some of you older boys might even be able to help in that respect. आणि तिने हे पण सांगितलं की yes, you are the older boys like you may help to the other students. Denham was not to put off by these sugary remarks and rose in reply. When Miss Phillips speaking about that, yes, Denham started to give the response. Then why do we have to do PT? मग आम्ही PT का बरं करायची? If it is not good for us, why don't they take only the kids who need it? मग त्यांनी he asked two questions, Denham, की then why do we have to do PT? मग आम्ही PT का करायची तर आम्हाला PT ची आवश्यकताच नाही तर फर्स्ट. सेकंड, why don't they take only the kids who need it? ज्या विद्यार्थ्यांना याची आवश्यकता आहे, छोट्या मुलांना, त्यांच्यासाठी PT असली पाहिजे. The rest of us can have a game of football or the something. आणि आमचे ज्यांना PT ची आवश्यकता नाही अशा विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी काय, यस, the rest of them म्हणजे जे of us can have a game of football or something. आमच्यासाठी फुटबॉल किंवा बाकीचे गेम सारखे असले पाहिजे असं त्यांनी आपलं मत व्यक्त केलं. Instead of doing a lot of daft things that's no good to us, this was a poser. But she came right back at him, her baby blue eyes twinkling in her delight at this crossing of staves. Let's say it is as much as exercise of the mind as it is of the body, Denham said. The whole timetable in this school is meant to help you in the world after you leave here. Yes, Miss said that the whole timetable in this school is meant to help you in the world after you live here. हे सांगितलं की whole timetable in this school is for you when you are leave from this school. जेव्हा तुम्ही या शाळेमधून जाल त्यावेळेस तुम्ही काय त्या जगाचा सामना करण्यासाठी जे तुम्हाला आवश्यकता पाहिजे ते सगळं तुमच्यामध्ये फिलअप करण्यासाठी the whole timetable of this school is. The whole timetable in this school is meant to help you in the world after you live here, and doing what you are told in spite of not liking it is part of the training. त्यांना सांगितलं yes, all the timetable in this school is for you when you are living from this school, and what you are liking and what you are not liking, it is yes, liking it is a part of the training. मात्र जर तुम्हाला एखादी गोष्ट आवडत नसली आणि तुम्हाला एखादी गोष्ट आवडत असली बट इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ ट्रेनिंग, पण त्याचा काय ट्रेनिंगचाच एक काय भाग आहे. आय फील शुअर दॅट यू विल सी द पॉइंट इन दॅट. आणि मग तिने मिस फिलिप्स एक्सप्रेस दॅट की यस, आय थिंक की यस, आय फील शुअर दॅट यू विल सी द पॉइंट इन दॅट स्टॉप हिम. Poor Denham knew that he would be outwitted, but he could do nothing about it, and sat looking rather rueful. Yes, the poor Denham जो होता, Denham wanted to speak. He would be outwitted, but he could not do nothing about it. मात्र तो काहीच त्याच्यावर करू शकत नव्हता. मिस फिलिप्सने सांगितल्यानंतर and sat looking rather rueful, म्हणजे थोडंसं सॅड होऊन तो बसला. While Miss Phillips smile broadened, आणि मिस फिलिप्सची मात्र स्माइल थोडीशी वाढली. This freely innocent looking purse म्हणजे playful had gobbled her canary without leaving the tiniest feather. I began to understand how it was that so slight a creature could cope so effectively with her class. कॉप म्हणजे झुंजणे. Yes, and when the arguments between the Denham and the Miss Phillips going on, that time writer was seeing all that, and writer, yes, I began to understand how it was that so slight creatures could cope so effectively with her class, and writer felt very good also by seeing how his class doing the discussions on various topics. Soon after this, as the morning ended, the head went on to the stage and closed the proceedings, and at last head went on the stage and closed the proceedings, expressing his pride in all the children and his deep appreciation of their efforts. And at last head went on the stage and he closed all the proceedings of that program. He also expressed his pride in all the children. त्यांनी आपली he expressed his pride in all the children and his deep appreciation to their efforts. आणि मुलांनी त्या कार्यक्रमासाठी जे प्रयत्न केले त्यांच्या प्रयत्नाला काय appreciate सुद्धा केलं हेडनी. and in this way that program of student council meeting come to end. Students, in this way this novel is come to end. You will try to complete activities in brain